Welcome to this comprehensive guide on the Splunk Search Processing Language Commands command. In this tutorial, you will learn how to discover and explore all available SPL commands using the powerful Commands command. This command is essential for anyone working with Splunk, whether you are a beginner learning SPL or an experienced user looking for quick reference. The Commands command allows you to list all available SPL commands along with their descriptions and usage information, making it an invaluable tool for search development and documentation. The Commands command follows a simple and straightforward syntax in Splunk. To use this command, you simply type a pipe symbol followed by the word commands. The basic format is pipe commands, where the pipe symbol tells Splunk to pass the results from any previous search to the Commands command. This command does not require any additional parameters or arguments, making it one of the simplest commands to execute in SPL. When you run this command, it will return a comprehensive list of all available SPL commands that you can use in your searches and data analysis. When you execute the Commands command, it returns valuable information about each available SPL command. The output includes the command name, a detailed description of what the command does, and usage information. For example, you will see commands like eval with the description calculate expressions, stats with aggregate statistics, and search with filter events. This output serves as a built-in reference guide that provides complete command documentation, enables quick command discovery, and offers instant access to built-in help documentation. This makes it an essential tool for both learning and day-to-day Splunk operations. One of the most powerful features of the Commands command is the ability to filter and search through the results to find specific commands. You can combine the Commands command with other SPL commands like search to filter results based on specific criteria. For example, you can use pipe commands pipe search command like %eval% to find all commands that contain the word eval in their name. Similarly, you can search by command descriptions using pipe commands pipe search description like %statistics% to find all commands related to statistics. This filtering capability makes it easy to find exactly the commands you need for specific tasks. SPL commands are organized into different categories or types, each serving specific purposes in data analysis. The main categories include search commands that filter and retrieve events from your data, statistical commands that aggregate and analyze data to provide insights, and reporting commands that format and visualize results for presentation. Understanding these command types helps you choose the right commands for your specific use cases. You can filter commands by type using expressions like pipe commands pipe search type equals reporting to see only reporting commands, or pipe commands pipe search type equals statistical to view statistical commands. The Commands command is invaluable in several practical scenarios. When learning SPL, it helps you discover available commands and understand their capabilities. During search development, you can find commands by functionality to build more effective searches. For documentation purposes, it provides quick reference and help information. A typical workflow involves first running pipe commands to see all available commands, then using pipe search description like %filter% to find commands related to filtering, and finally using pipe table command description to display only the command names and descriptions in a clean format. The Commands command returns several useful fields that provide comprehensive information about each SPL command. The command field contains the actual command name as a string value. The description field provides a detailed explanation of what the command does, also as a string. The type field indicates the category or type of command, such as reporting or statistical. The usage field contains information about how to use the command properly. You can select specific fields using the table command, such as pipe commands pipe table command description to display only the command names and their descriptions, making the output more focused and easier to read. To summarize, the Commands command is an essential tool in your SPL toolkit that lists all available SPL commands with their descriptions and usage information. You can filter commands by type or description to find exactly what you need, and it serves as an indispensable resource for SPL learning and reference. The key takeaways are that this command provides complete visibility into all available SPL functionality, supports advanced filtering for targeted discovery, and serves as built-in documentation. To practice what you have learned, try running pipe commands pipe search description like %statistics %pipe table command description to find and display all statistics-related commands. Start exploring SPL commands today and enhance your Splunk skills. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.